Hey there, are you looking for a way to completely transform your living space, gaming setup, or entertainment area with smart lighting? If the answer is yes, then you are definitely in the right place, because today we will be reviewing two products from the same brand, which is the DeckTok corner floor lamp and the DeckTok HDMI Sync TV Backlight Kit. These two not only stand strong individually, but together they create the perfect atmosphere for gaming, movie nights, or just relaxing in style. But before we get started, I want to mention that these products were provided to us by DeckTok in exchange for a review, and this is a paid collaboration. While I appreciate their support to my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever. My review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always, so stick around as we explore everything that these smart lighting products have to offer. With no further ado, let's jump right in. So now let's start with the DeckTok corner floor lamp, and as you can see, the unboxing is straightforward. You get all the necessary accessories and the setup was smooth and easy. As you can see, in just a few minutes, it's ready to run. This is definitely not your ordinary lamp. It features segmented RGBWW light control with 12 independently controlled zones, letting you mix and match colors. Adjust whites between 2700K to 6500K and create truly unique lighting effects with 16 million colors, powerful brightness reaching up to 1500 lumens, and wide wall coverage. This lamp delivers atmosphere in every corner. It also comes packed with immersive music sync and voice control, with 9 music modes that pulse and shift with your songs. On top of that, you get 44 plus preset scene modes, smart timers, and brightness control right at your fingertips. Whether you are gaming, relaxing after work, or throwing a party, the DeckTok corner floor lamp sets the perfect vibe. And also, I can't forget to mention the slick design. With its aluminum profile and slim footprint, it blends into any space while still making a modern statement. Next up is the DeckTok HDMI Sync TV Backlight Kit. This one is designed specifically to bring your screen to life by connecting directly via HDMI. It creates dynamic lighting effects that match whatever is happening on your TV. Whether you are gaming, watching movies, or even hosting a party, your screen and lighting stay perfectly in sync. With low latency performance, full support for HDR and 4K clarity, and exceptional brightness, you get sharp visuals paired with immersive backlighting. The strip also uses just 20 watts of power, lasts over 30,000 hours, and is fully customizable through the DeckTok app. Plus, it works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, so you can change colors and scenes with your voice. Now, while both of these products are great on their own, the magic really happens when you use them together. In my setup, I paired the corner floor lamp with the HDMI sync light strip behind my TV, as you can see, and the result is incredible. The lamp filled the room with atmospheric color, while the strip kept every scene immersive and in sync with what was happening on screen. Gaming felt more alive, movies more cinematic, and even casual music sessions turned into light shows. So if you are someone who loves smart lighting or wants to enhance your entertainment space, these two products complete each other perfectly, and it's definitely the best pick. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about the DeckTok corner floor lamp and the HDMI sync TV backlight kit. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best fit for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and enjoy a fully immersive, customizable smart lighting experience. See you in the next video. Peace.